In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion dashboard in literally 1 minute. Whether you need it for a to-do list, managing projects, or keeping track of important events on your calendar, this guide will walk you through each step so you can set up your own efficient dashboard quickly and effortlessly. To start, make sure you're logged into your Notion workspace. If you're not already connected, head over to the Notion website and sign in with your credentials. For those new to Notion, or if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and go through the initial onboarding process. Once you're in, navigate to the Notion homepage. Here, you'll find all your existing pages and space to create new ones. Now, what we're going to do next is search for a dashboard within Notion. Use the search bar located at the top to type in dashboard. This feature is a powerful tool, allowing you to easily locate templates and other content throughout your workspace. Now comes the fun part: selecting a dashboard template. Notion offers a variety of templates designed to help you organize different types of information. Choose one that suits your needs and click to preview it. You'll get a feel for the layout and structure, determining if it will work as your command center. Once you find a template you like, select it and click on the Add button. This action brings the dashboard template into your own workspace, transforming it into a page you can customize to your liking. Think of this template as a canvas. It gives you a base to work from, but allows for endless customization options to truly make it your own. Editing the template is where you get to infuse your personal touch. Click into any section of the dashboard to start editing. You can rename tasks, add new sections, change calendar events, or adjust the layout entirely to meet your personal workflow and aesthetic preferences. Notion's blocks make rearranging sections intuitive and smooth, so feel free to experiment with different configurations. As you edit, consider what you'll need for day-to-day use, focusing on whether you want a clear to-do list, an overview of your projects, or an integrated calendar for upcoming events. Finally, take a moment to review your newly created dashboard. Make sure it aligns with your goals and is set up in a way that feels intuitive for you. Once you're happy with your setup, it's ready to be utilized as your go-to productivity hub. From here, you can easily manage your tasks, monitor your projects, and stay on top of your schedule, all consolidated in one efficient and polished space. And there you have it. Your Notion dashboard is ready in just 1 minute. Keep experimenting and fine-tuning your setup as your needs evolve, and enjoy the enhanced organization this powerful tool brings to your everyday life.